Now, guys, next session, arrangement with more than one cases or possibilities. Now, ये से डायरेक्टली एग्जांपल्स के थ्रू देखते हैं कि इसमें क्वेश्चंस कैसे होने वाले हैं. So first example, five persons P, Q, R, S, and D, and they are in a sequence. Okay, P is three places away from R, and we need to find all the possibilities for the positions of P and R. So five persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P is three places away from R. So if I consider R over here, P is three places away. So this is one place away, two places away, three places away. So P will be here. Now we need to find all such possibilities for the positions of P and R. So it could be like P is here, then one place away, two places away, three places away. R will be here. It is again possible. So P is three places away from R. It also indicates that R is also three places away from P. So this is first possibility. This is second possibility. Let's try to name the positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another possibility could be if any of them will is at second place and three place away will be one place away, two place away, three place away. So if P is here, R will be here, or they can interchange their positions as well. R will be here, one place away, two place away, three place away, P will be here. So first and fourth, this is one of the possibility, or second and fifth, this is one of the possibility. Or we can just mention them like P or R, then one place away, two place away, three place away, R or P, and this place could be one and fourth or second or fifth. Okay, we can also mention like this. So here we have drawn four different conditions. Here we are going to deal in only one conditions, all the four cases. Now let's try to look at next example. Again same example, P is three places away from R, and with one more condition, T is not at any end, and here we need to find out all the possible arrangements, guys. Earlier example, we have to find out only the possibilities for P and R, but here we need to find out all the possible arrangements. So again, we can consider P is here, then R is here. Let's say P is here, first place, second, third, and fourth, and fifth place. So T is not at any end. That means T could be second or T could be third. So again, T is second. Let's say. Now just keep it simple. We are going to draw all the diagrams. Okay, all the possible conditions we are going to draw separately. So P is here, first place, then third, second, third, fourth, fifth. So R is here. Now T could be third as well, and then two remaining persons will be over here. So Q and S, I will just mention like this. So Q and S, so Q will be here, and in that case S will be here, or if S is here, Q will be here. Now if T is at the third place, again Q or S, S or Q, anything is possible. So these are in total four different arrangements. When P is at the first place, R is at the fourth place. Or they could interchange their position as well. Rather than drawing another possibility, I will just mention this is R or P, or this is P or R. Anything is possible, R or P, or P or R. That means they could, R and P, they can interchange among themselves as well. So it becomes 8 different possibilities. So if T is at the second place, P first, R fourth, two different possibilities. R first, P fourth, again two different possibilities. T is at the third place, P first, R fourth, two different possibilities. R first, R fourth, two different possibilities. So in total there are 8 possibilities for this first and fourth place for P and R in any order. So P and R, they could be second or fifth. We have already seen P and R, they could be second and fifth. Now we are going to draw in only one condition. Now T is not at any end, so T could be third or T could be fourth. So T could be third or T could be fourth, P or R, R or P, and then Q and S can come anywhere, S or Q, and Q and S. So same 8 different possibilities for second and fifth position as well. So there are total 16 possibilities. Next example, 4 persons A, B, C and D have to be arranged in a sequence. A is not adjacent to B. Find all the possible arrangements. So A is not adjacent to B. That means, like, just consider if A is here, B cannot come here. So either B is here or B is here. So take different possibilities. You can solve it any way, guys. You can consider Bezier or Bezier in only one diagram, or even in your mind, and then try to solve everything in your mind. That is again fine. This is just for practice to build your basics. Now, if A is here, B is here, C and D, they can interchange their position. Again, C and D, they can interchange their positions. Okay. So if A is at the first place, we have these many different possibilities. So two different possibilities over here, AC, BD or AD, BC. Two different possibilities for here. So four different possibilities. Now, what will happen if A is at the second place? So B cannot come at the first or third place. B should not be adjacent to A. So B will be here, and again C and D will be here. So two different possibilities when A is at the second place. We have four different possibilities when A is at the first place. We have only two different possibilities when A is at the second place, because here we have two possibilities for the position of B. Here B's position is fixed. Now same, when A is at the third place, B will come here because B is not adjacent to A. C and D come anywhere at the second or and fourth place in any order. So again, two different possibilities. And if A is at the extreme right corner, B could be either here or B could be either here. So again, C and D can come anywhere, DC, D or C, or C and D and D and C. So four different possibilities here. So 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus these 4, so 12 different possible arrangements. Now, 7 persons A to G are in a linear sequence, okay. So here I forgot to mention in any order, number of persons to the left of A is equal to number of persons to the right of B. Find all the possible positions for A and B. So now number of persons left of A. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I want some persons left of A. So let's say I'm mentioning A at the extreme right corner. The number of persons left of A, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is same as the number of persons to the right of B. So I want 6 persons to the right of B. So 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person, 5 person, 6 person. So B should come here. In that way, B is the extreme left corner, and number of persons to the right of B, it becomes 6. This is one of the possibility. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If A is here, number of persons to the left of A, it becomes 5. So I need to be at the second place. So if A is at the first place from the right, B will be at the first place from the left. If A is at the second place from the right, B is at the second place from the left. So if A is at the third place from the right, B will be from the third place from the left. You can now you can self verify this. Number of persons to the left of A, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of persons to the right of A, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now can I place A at the middle position? Now in this way, number of persons to the left of A, it becomes 3. So I want 3 persons to the right of B. So right of B, 1, 2, 3. So B will come at this place, but I have already placed A here. So no place for B. That means A and B cannot come at the middle position. Now when this condition is given, A and B cannot come at the middle position. Now is this all? A यहाँ पर भी आ सकता है, guys देखो. In that condition, B will be fifth from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if A is here, B will be here. Number of persons to the left of A, it becomes 2. Number of persons to the right of B, it becomes 2. So अगर आपने देखा A अगर यहाँ पर होगा तो B यहाँ पर होगा. Okay. If A is here, B is here. If A is here, extreme left corner, 0 persons है A के left में. So I want 0 persons to the right of B. So B will be here. That means A का जो भी पोजिशन राइट एंड से होगा, B का वही पोजिशन लेफ्ट एंड से होगा. I can say that A and B are equidistant from the either end. Whatever the position of A from one of the end, same will be the position of B from other end. So these are the possibilities for such condition. Okay. So I hope we have solved ample examples now just to build your basics. In the next slide, we are going to solve 4 easy puzzles when there are more than one possibilities. So all the best guys, and stay healthy.